Okay, so what we're going to look at is something called chord boxes. And chord boxes is really just a way of explaining how you would play a chord. So what I'm doing here is I'm doing a very rough drawing of a guitar. So I'm just putting the neck and a little bit of the body, and now I'm putting the head in, and there's the tuning pegs. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll add in all the strings. This is the most important thing. The chord boxes is going to show you the strings and the frets essentially. So there's all our strings, and then we'll put our frets in as well, just like this. So hopefully you can recognise that as a kind of picture of a guitar. And we'll give the frets numbers that you know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, all the way down the neck. And we'll give the strings the letter names, which you also know by now, which is E, A, D, G, B, and E. Now take a look at this. This is just basically what we're just looking at, apart from without the pretty picture with the body and everything in it. It's just the strings going across the top where the letters are. That's what the lines going across down the way are, and the frets going across with the little F1, F2, F3 next to them. And what I'm doing now is I'm drawing where you would put your fingers to hold the chord for E minor in this example. So you can see you're holding down on the second fret, and you've got to hold down the A and the D string. Now all the other strings we're going to leave open. Okay, so you are going to play them, you're just not going to be holding any fingers now. Okay, so that's very important to know. This example, the D chord, you can see at the top there that we don't play the E and the A string. So they've been crossed out. Here's another example. Now on this one, we can get even a little bit more detail. So if you look at the black dots where they're showing you where to put your fingers, it's even indicated which finger you should use to hold which note. So for that one there, you want to try and use your second finger. Or for this one here, you want to try and use your fourth finger. And chord boxes don't always have that, but sometimes they do, which can be pretty useful. And then we just look at the top again and make sure, okay, so on this one we don't want to play the lower E string, but we do want to play all the rest of the notes, all the rest of the strings. And that's it, that's chord boxes.